All right, guys. So right now, people following alerts on Discord hopped into short positions around these levels, maybe a little bit earlier, but added to it here. The full card. So first off, this move here, I think, is probably our science price level. Well, really, you could say it's this price level here. Hard to say. But the full card at the end of the day, with the low signification, really indicating that there should be a pretty big move, improbable move to the downside here into the close. If we don't see that, I'll be very frustrated. It could happen. So if we don't see that, my expectation is that we would have a drop overnight into tomorrow morning. Right now, what I'm seeing is a drop at the end of the day here, and then we open probably back at these price levels. I hope we have a drop, because otherwise I'm not going to leave all everything I have on the table overnight, so my face will get melted off. Need a turnaround here. But really, I mean, the high significator is a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. We're at highs, resistance that was created early in the day. The full card really indicating an opportunity here. Sorry about that, guys. Probably sound better now. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. We also have Tesla dailies for October coming out. If you've got monthly access on our website, Terra for Traders, then you're going to be able to see the paid version of those dailies for Tesla coming out for October's dailies. Starting on the 4th, there's a public and a paid version. First few days is only a paid version. We're looking for what? Bitcoin, right? And you would get the link for the live updated TradingView chart that we share. on our Discord channel for Bitcoin, which is part of the monthly access subscription. Sorry, guys, I got disconnected from my trading. So here we go, guys. If you've been following our trading plan, then you would be in a long position in Bitcoin at this time, primed to go into this. This was solid, guys. This was really solid. We drew this stuff like all the way back over when it was this was the present moment back in like the beginning of August, maybe here, like the 6th. But that's looking pretty solid. We're on track for a nice gain there. What else we got on the list here? TSLA. I need the September. Excuse me, guys. I feel like some of my drawings were erased or something here. Yeah, there should be a drop here, guys. Interesting that I'm seeing it in the Tesla September. There's a sharp unicursal drop here. Huh. It's a tough read right now. So we nailed we were going to come off of a high, right? So the first day, we already came off of a high from the prior day, right? That's that ruin right there. Coming into a low on the 3rd, and then a lower low on the 6th. it may be that that was the low, but there's possibility of it tomorrow. It's just there's a lot of conflicting energy here. So overall, we probably do some like sidewaysy behavior. Ugh, come on, man. Can we have our turnaround here already? Guys, if you're new to the channel, you can ask questions by becoming a member. You go to our YouTube channel, Terror for Traders, sign up, click the join button, sign up. $50 a month gets you. You ask as many questions as you want. We're trying to do regular Monday and Thursday mornings, 9 to 10, but it's gonna take a little getting used to. We also do this time slot and Friday, same time slot. And then Wednesdays, and I think we're going to move it from Saturday to Sunday. Sunday night's easier, but Wednesdays and Sundays we'll be doing 8 p.m.s to 9 p.m.s Eastern time. I'm still seeing a drop here, so I need to stop freaking out. Just trust in the cards. Hey, it was luck. If you're just hopping on, we already covered Bitcoin and Tesla, as well as obviously the S&P we always start with. And we're expecting a turnaround here. People in the SPY alerts or early access with the SPY alerts are prepared for a decline that should be commencing like any minute here. NVIDIA go? There we go. This one as well fell into our plan. Open up 25%, add another 50% of long position, and we're looking to close out of this relatively soon here. That's part of the reason why I don't want to stay in these shorts overnight. Not without having a long position anyways, because we've got NVIDIA moving to the upside, it looks like. Probably something similar going on, but we decline off of the peak there on the 9th for Tesla. No questions, it was luck. You always have questions for me. Oh, let's go. Come on. To the downside, my friends. Roku for the remainder of the week and next week. Roku's another ticker you would get the live updated, the link to the live updated trading view chart through Ultimate Access. I have to make a chart for this one. Overall trend direction through next Friday. We have a failed attempt to break the resistance, followed by a decline through key support. Excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry. So it looks like it breaks through that resistance there, at least momentarily. And then it breaks down through key support. Yeah, and it breaks down through that key support there. So somewhere like within this like range here, and then by the day, hard to say when it meets that, but it's a pretty mixed overall kind of thing going on into next Friday. Google. So this link you would get as part of Total Access. Yeah, I feel like my my markups are missing. What the heck happened? Oh no, there's one there. Interesting. Hmm. This one looks like it's probably gonna keep going south into like the 16th is my sense. Interesting. So likely an opportunity there either was or still is an opportunity in Google open up a long to close tomorrow morning. Um, it looks like it's probably bearish tomorrow. And then probably highs here um, towards the end of the week on the 19th, 20th. All right. right. Thank you. Let's go, my friends. Let's go. It's really tough, guys. Like, there's some really conflicting, like, energy going on. We have a cross-reading congruency for a September high tomorrow. That's clearly not happening. But we see kind of like this high energy here as well. And then there's also low energy tomorrow. Tomorrow's a tough read, guys. What else we got? CPI tomorrow will cause crazy volatility as SPY hit a local bottom according to retrograde plan. And if so, are we moving up or chopping? It's kind of like all bets are off at the end of the retrograde, the post shadow, because there's nothing to go by as far as retrograde anymore. So there could be a reversal, there could not be a reversal. It's the planet is already moving in the direct, like in the proper direction in the sky. It's just it's not it's speeding up to normal speed, and by tomorrow I believe is the day, right? Let me see. Yeah, the 11th tomorrow is when the post shadow ends. I mean, it wouldn't be surprising if we had this drop here, but like, I'm not. It's really tough to read, guys. I apologize that I can't give you clear information, but it is really tough with this conflicting stuff going on, and then the card in between is the peace card, so it's like it's not very helpful. It could be crazy volatility, is what it is. But that's why I say I don't want to just be short going into tomorrow. I'm hoping to be able to close out of these short positions here at the end of the day with a nice sharp drop. Sorry guys, I'll be right back. I gotta pee. All right, guys, I'm back. If you just hopping on, guys, we covered Tesla, Bitcoin, Roku, Google. Will next week be bullish or bearish for the VIX? I got the prudence card. It's kind of like back and forth sidewaysy. It's looking like I might have to take a bit of a loss here. I'm not going into tomorrow. I mean, we've got 15 minutes, but there's no way I'm going into tomorrow all short. And I'm out of buying power, so I can't cover my shorts with longs, which means I got to take a loss. Unless we have this drop here in the last 15 minutes. Hey, buddy. Almost time to go to the park, little guy. All right, guys, so I think I'm going to roll here because I got to keep a close eye on this. And it'd be dull just to watch me sitting here looking at it. So I'm going to roll with that. Thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow should be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. I will see you guys then. Blessings to all my angel investors. And if you're following along with these short trades, just keep an eye on the alert.